What is a firewall? A firewall is a system that is designed to prevent unauthorized access from entering a private network by filtering the information that comes in from the internet. It blocks unwanted traffic and permits wanted traffic. A firewall's purpose is to create a safety barrier between a private network and the public internet. Because out on the internet, there's always going to be hackers and malicious traffic that may try to penetrate into a private network to cause harm. And a firewall is the main component on a network to prevent this. A firewall works by filtering the incoming network data and determines by its rules if it is allowed to enter a network. These rules are known as an access control list. These rules are customizable and are determined by the network administrator. The administrator not only decides what can enter the network, but also what can leave a network.